Let me help you with the definition of generative retrieval priority in regards to generative engine optimization. So it is as follows. The likelihood that a specific source will be selected by an AI system during the retrieval phase of response generation, influenced by relevance, entity authority, evidence density, and clarity of information structure. So really quite a meaty definition to be able to understand here. So the best way to explain it is in each section. So where it says influenced by relevance, that's just a situation where your content would provide a direct answer to a user's specific query. So if you've got great topical depth on your website in your specialist area, you should be able to be considered as relevant. The next section is entity authority. So entity authority is kind of interlinked with EEAT, which is expertise, experience, authority, and trust. For example, with ourselves, NeuralAdX, in order to achieve this, we have monthly AI citation benchmarks where we use a third-party software to measure the amount of citations and citation share we have in comparison to 5 other generative engine optimization agencies. So that's showing live factual proof using a third-party software that gives us credibility and authority in the eyes of AI engines. In addition to this, we also do live screen recordings of prompts in multiple AI platforms to show our performance in regards to generative engine optimization results in how we show up in AI platforms. So you can see those 2 particular strategies employed on our website show AI engines that we deserve authority in this particular field because we are providing live factual evidence, which is also third-party covered in terms of in the AI citation benchmark, we're using another company's software. So it's not in-house and potentially unauthentic, it's third-party validated. And that's what AI engines will look for in order to determine entity authority. Then if we move into the next part of it, which is evidence density, again, that would fall back on what I've just mentioned and as into how much detail and evidence you have provided on your website to confirm that you're a valid authority. Then the final section being clarity of information structure, that comes under the understanding of disambiguation. So it's just making sure that on each one of the sections of your website, you are providing very clear contextual structure as to what it is particularly about. So yeah, this particular terminology, as I said earlier, is very meaty and it's a lot to be able to understand. But I hope what I have passed over to you here has opened up a few sort of concepts that you didn't know before. If you would like more information on generative engine optimization, then do click the link in the description below to our website where we have our GEO Skills Hub and we also have AI platform optimization guides. If you have a question on generative retrieval priority, pop it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much indeed for watching, and as ever, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.